In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to instantly change a photo background, allowing me to create professional product shots without a studio. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll move my cursor to the chat bar and click the attachment icon to upload my product photo. For this example, I'm using a shot for lipstick. Once the image is selected, I'll head to my notes and copy a specific prompt I've written to replace the background with a clean, solid white. This prompt is key. It ensures the product's color and shape remain exactly the same while adding a soft shadow for a grounded, professional e-commerce look. I'll paste the text, hit send, and let ChatGPT analyze the image. After a moment of processing, it generates a high-quality version perfectly suited for an online storefront or a professional catalog. I'll click on the image to preview the final result, checking that the edges are clean and the lighting feels natural. Then I'll close it out to try a more creative style. For the next edit, I'll upload the original photo again and use a prompt designed for high-end marketing. This time, I'm asking for a luxury beauty brand aesthetic featuring a dark charcoal background, a subtle teal gradient, and soft overhead lighting to make the product pop. I'll paste this into the chat and hit send. While the AI works on the transformation, you can see how the specific details in my prompt like the gradient and lighting style help guide the AI to the exact look I want for my brand. Here is the finished image, looking dark, elegant, and incredibly premium. I'll take one last look at the final design to ensure it matches my marketing manager standards before we finish up. Using this method, you can transform a simple phone photo into a high-end marketing asset in seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful for upgrading your brand's visuals, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.